How to make Snapchat account private. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Snapchat application. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Select your Bitmoji option, then tap on the setting gear option that is in your right hand corner. From the setting list, you have to navigate to the section of privacy controls. Now tap on Contact Me. Set it either to Friends or Friends and Contact. Next, head back from here. Select on Use My Bitmoji avatar. Make sure to select on Only Me. Select View My Story next. Then set it to Friends Only or customize it. Now tap on See Me in Quick Add. Make sure to toggle it off. Then head back from here again. Select your location. Either select Hide My Live Location or toggle on Ghost Mode. Next, select your activity indicator and turn it off. This will hide others to see if you are active or not in your Snapchat. We have to do this way as Snapchat currently does not have a direct option of making your account private. By following all of this step, your account will be private and only your friends or the chosen ones will be able to see your account info. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.